Hello, this video is for those who purchased the PDF planner from Good Vibes Studio. Today I'll show you how to use the digital planner in GoodNotes 6. This guide also includes basic instructions for beginners, so please stay with us until the end. Part 1. Importing the digital planner file. 1. Tap the plus button in the top left corner and select Import. 2. Locate and select the downloaded planner file. Once the file is imported, you can start using it in GoodNotes 6. Part 2. Selecting the planner cover. If the imported file contains multiple planner covers, tap the thumbnail view to choose the one you prefer. 1. To keep your preferred cover and delete the others, tap the thumbnail view. 2. Select the covers you want to remove, and tap the trash icon to delete them. Now, only your selected cover remains, and the rest have been deleted. Part 3. Using hyperlinks. 1. Tap the pencil icon in the top toolbar to switch to read mode. 2. Tap the text or icon with a hyperlink to navigate to the linked page. All pages in the planner are connected via hyperlinks, making it easy to navigate to your desired page. Part 4. Writing text. The first method for writing text is using the pen tool. 1. Switch to edit mode by tapping the pen icon. 2. Choose the pen type and thickness from the available options. 3. Use the pencil to write on the screen. Using the text tool. The second method is using the text tool. 1. Tap the text box icon in the top toolbar. 2. Select the font and size from the text options toolbar. You can also set these as default settings for future text entries. 3. Tap the location where you want to enter text and use the pencil or keyboard to input text. Using the text tool allows you to enter neat and clean text. Part 5. Using digital stickers. 1. Drag the Files app up from the bottom of the screen to enable Slide Over with GoodNotes. 2. In the Files app, navigate to the sticker you want to use and drag and drop it into your planner. 3. Use the lasso tool to select the sticker, then resize and position it as desired. Using the sticker tool to access pre-registered stickers. 1. Tap the sticker icon in the top toolbar to open the sticker menu. 2. Browse through the pre-registered stickers and select the one you want to use. 3. Select the sticker, then resize and position it as desired. Part 6. Adding images, photos. 1. Tap the image icon in the top toolbar. 2. Find and select the desired photo. 3. Select the image to resize and position it as desired. 4. To arrange the image, select it and tap it again. In the menu that appears, choose Arrange and then select Bring to Front or Send to Back. Part 7. Cropping photos, images. Cropping with rectangle. 1. With the image selected, tap the image again to open the menu and select Crop. 2. Select Rectangle and drag to choose the area you want to crop within the rectangle. 3. Tap Done to crop the image. Cropping with freehand. 1. With the image selected, tap the image again to open the menu and select Crop. 2. Choose the freehand option. 3. Draw freely around the area you want to crop and tap Done. 4. Adjust the size and position it as desired. Part 8. Duplicating a page. 1. On the page you want to duplicate, tap the plus menu at the top right. 2. Select whether to duplicate the page before or after, then choose the current page. The page is duplicated. You can duplicate pages as many times as needed. Part 9. Deleting a page. 1. On the page you want to delete, tap the three dots menu at the top right and select Move Page to Trash. 2. Confirm by selecting Trash in the pop-up. Part 10. Copying and pasting note templates. 1. Navigate to the page you want to copy. 2. Tap the three dots menu at the top right and select Copy Page. 3. Move to the location where you want to paste the page. 4. Tap the plus menu at the top right, choose to paste the page before or after, and select Paste Page. 5. Tap the plus menu at the top right and select Current Page. You can add as many pages as you need through page duplication. Part 11. Moving a page. 1. Tap the thumbnail icon in the top left corner to open the Page Thumbnails view. 2. Press and hold the thumbnail of the page you want to move to select it, then drag the page to the desired position. Part 12. Moving multiple pages. 1. Tap Select in the top right corner. 2. Select all the pages you want to move. 3. Drag the selected pages to the desired position. 4. Release to place the pages in their new position and tap Done. These features allow you to easily duplicate, move, and delete templates, so you can customize your planner exactly the way you want. That's how you use the digital planner in GoodNotes 6. We hope this planner helps you organize your life, stay productive, and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!